Here's number 11 on homework 5.2, day 1. And so when we're looking at this, what we want to do is first, we see that they all have the same exponent. So let's push that to the outside. So we write this as 2 times 16 over 4, and that's all raised to the 2/3. Now we can evaluate this. And so a quick way to do this is to simplify. And so 4 goes into 16 4 times. So now this is just 2 times 4, which is 8, raised to the 2/3. Now, if you're doing big ideas, you don't see that answer yet. So let's see if we can rewrite 8 in a different way. So what's a different way to write 8? 8 is really just 2 to the 3rd power. And then it's all still raised to that 2/3. And then, now that we're multiplying, we can multiply the exponent. So it's 2 times 3 times 2/3. And then so the 3's cancel. This ends up being 2 squared, or 4.